Hello everyone, welcome to ALM. Today I will show you our mini lead screw. This lead screw diameter is 6 mm. The lead is 4 mm. Both right hand thread and left hand thread are available. And the lead screw material is stainless steel. Other materials such as carbon steel is also available. The nut material is PEEK. You can also get brass, bronze, and plastic nut material from us. This lead screw surface is smooth without burrs, can run very smoothly and quickly. The lead screw shaft and nut shape can be produced according to your requirement. Our MOQ is one set. Contact us to get a quote. Thank you so much.